Do you want your sofa to look stylish and cozy without spending a fortune? Stay with me, because today I'll show you budget-friendly ways to transform your sofa into the star of your living room. Hello and welcome back. Your sofa is one of the most used spots in your home, but styling it doesn't have to be expensive. In this video, I'll share simple, practical, and creative sofa styling ideas that you can easily try at home without breaking the bank. Practical suggestions. Let's start with cushions. You don't need to buy new ones every season. Just change the cushion covers. A set of covers can cost as little as $10 compared to buying brand new cushions for $40 or more. Choose different textures like cotton, velvet, or linen for a cozy and layered look. Next, add a throw blanket. This instantly makes your sofa look warm and welcoming. You can find budget throws at discount stores for around $15, while high-end versions can cost up to $60. The difference is big, but the effect is almost the same. Another smart idea is using slip covers. Instead of buying a new sofa, a slip cover can completely change the color and style for about $30 to $50, whereas a new sofa may cost hundreds. And don't forget small accents like a side tray or a budget-friendly rug in front of the sofa. These create balance and make the entire area look stylish without extra effort. Tools in a practical way. To get these looks, you don't need fancy tools. A measuring tape helps ensure your covers and throws fit perfectly. A fabric steamer or even a simple iron keeps the materials looking fresh. And that's all you need: affordable, practical, and easy. Quick tips. Here are some quick tips. 1. Stick to 2 or 3 main colors for a clean look. 2. Mix patterns but balance them with plain cushions. 3. Layer textures like soft, knitted, and smooth fabrics to add depth. 4. Refresh your sofa look every season by just swapping covers and throws. Cost comparison recap. Think about it this way. Instead of spending $500 on a new sofa, you can spend less than $100 on covers, cushions, and a throw, and get a brand new look. That's style and savings combined. If you found these sofa styling ideas helpful, make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment with your favorite tip, and share it with friends who love home decor on a budget.